A chemistry student watching this video and you actually what having issues with chemistry, then you will stick to the end of this video because in this video I want to explain to you 10 simple steps you can take that help you to understand chemistry really fast. So if I still have issue with chemistry, then take note of what this step I'm going to explain to you in this video. I'll simply do what step by step. The good thing here is that these steps are easily applicable and you can easily start to use them immediately. Trust me, it's going to be of help to you because I've helped thousands of students to what pass chemistry and blast good grades with a lot of testimonials from secondary school to what to the university level. So that's why you really want to what, pay close attention to me. So now let's get into it. The first one to do here, so familiarize yourself with the basic concept. Now, with the basis. Now, as a chemistry student, you really want to go back to the fundamentals because it's a building block. So now the main reason why so many people still have issues with chemistry, having difficulty with chemistry because they have not actually familiarized themselves with the basic concepts. Now the basic concept I'm talking about is periodic table. You must understand the periodic table. Atomic structure, you must understand the atomic structure. Chemical bonding, you must be very, very good in what chemical bonding, and basic equation, how to write little equation. These are stuff that are important, and you must understand the definition and properties of atom, molecule, compound, element. These are stuff that are key in understanding what the basic concept. So if once you familiarize yourself with this stuff here, then you are good to go. But the issue is that how can you familiarize yourself with this basic concept without a good textbook? So that is what next thing I want to explain to you. The next thing is to what? Obtain a reliable textbook. Now, the textbook you use contribute close to 70% of your success in what in exam and understanding that subject. So you must do well to look for textbook that will be of help to you. It's very important you look for reliable textbook that explain in layman way, break everything down. Look for what authors who are very good in that field, in chemistry field, that look for authors that have written textbook in that field in chemistry that will explain the concept to you. It's very important because it plays important role in understanding what chemistry. Now the next thing is what take organized notes. Now when you are studying, it's very important as a student now to take organized notes. Those things you read, it's very important to take notes because you cannot be going back to your textbook all the time. So those things you are reading, you need to take them down and organize them very well. You can use headings, bullet points, and diagram to structure your notes for easy reference and understanding later on. It's very important you do this. You must take organized notes for everything you read. You must take what organized note. Then number four, students actually what make use of this thing here because most times you read, you take notes, but you don't actually what understand. So that's why the step number 4 comes in. Use visual aids. Utilize visual aids such as molecular model, diagram, and online stimulation to visualize chemical structure, reaction, and concept. This can help you grab complex ideas more effectively. So I'm going to talk about this particular step in my future video. So that's why you want to subscribe and follow me on any platform of any of the show platform. On Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. You want to really follow me here because I'll be explaining this concept. The next thing is to what? Solve practice problem. Now, just visualizing it is not enough. Just getting a reliable textbook is not enough. You must keep practicing. This is where a lot of students actually have difficulties. Now, once they read a particular topic in chemistry, they will not practice problem, and that is where the solution comes from. So you must search for online websites and meet friends, the textbook you are using, and solve practice problem. Is very, very important. Then number 6 is what? Seek supplementary resources. Now there are times you will be studying, but there are some things you may not actually understand. You get? So that's why you need to seek for supplementary resources. If you find certain topics challenging, look for supplementary resources such as videos, tutorial. Like my channel here, on Chemistry TV here, I create chemistry tutorials. I have a lot of videos on that, so you can subscribe to my channel, and I upload on a constant basis. Now, educational websites or chemistry specific app, there are some good apps you will see there that will very helpful in chemistry. So you want to look for those apps. In my future video, I'm going to talk on this one perfectly so you can grab it. But understand that these resources often provide alternative explanation and example that can aid your understanding. It's very important to do this here. Then number 7 that will help you more is what? Join or form a study group. Now research have shown that iron sharpeneth iron. Now group of friends come together to study do better than those who does not have good study. And look at something here. Now you must form a study group where you will come together, a group of students who are learning chemistry comes together and revise stuff here. So collaborate with classmates or friends who are studying chemistry. Join or form study groups where you can discuss concepts, explain ideas to one another, and work through problems together. This collaborative approach can enhance your understanding. It's very, very important. It can enhance your understanding. So you should form a study group, especially your friends, classmates who are very, very serious, who are ambition. Form study group again. It's very, very important. Then number 8, utilize online resources. Take advantage of online resources such as educational website, YouTube channel. I've said for Chemist TV, we are here to help you to understand chemistry faster. That is the purpose of the channel. And interactive tutorial that provide additional explanation and demonstration of chemistry concept. These resources can supplement your learning and provide different perspectives. It's very, very important. I will advise you to have a mentor. This is the bonus I'm going to give to you here. Have a mentor physically that can meet. Yeah. So if you can have access to me, or you can join my tutorial, then you should do that, because that is what is going to help you more understand this concept. Like what I said, I've helped thousands of students to learn, master, pass with good grade, with tons of testimonials everywhere. So I can be your mentor both online and physical. Today I can be your mentor. I can actually guide you on that. Then number 9, regularly review and revise. It's very, very important. You must constantly review and revise what you have studied. Constantly review your notes, formulas, and key concepts to reinforce your understanding. Set aside time for regular revision to enhance that previously learned material. Stay afresh in your mind. It's very, very important. The last one is what? Ask for help when needed. It's very, very important. You cannot know it all. Even though you pass through this things here, you need to ask for help when needed. So that is why you need a physical coach. Instead of the online coach, you need a physical coach. You can either be a senior colleague, your friend, or your brother who knows chemistry very well, or someone who wants physical tutorials. It's very important you have a physical mentor that will help you, because these are that people that can be of help to you. That is it for this video. I will produce this kind of content to help you succeed academically. My passion here is to help you succeed academically. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and let me hear from the comment section. Which one are you using? Which one do you want to start practicing now? Which one stand out to you? That if you start using it, it will be of help to you. Let me see it at the comment section. I can follow you up. You don't know, I can follow you up. Do you understand? So please subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.